Good morning, my students. Today, too, we have come back to continue our mathematics, and I hope everybody is doing well and you are helping your parents at home to do one or two things in the house. Before that, your brother Samuel says, I should greet every one of you, and he is enjoying in the house. Donna, I hope you are there. Teresa, I hope you are there. You are always asking questions. I know that's how you want to know. You want to know a lot of things. So always I will welcome your questions. Emma, I hope you are there. Carota and Sergio too. I hope you are okay. Estelle, Estrella, I hope you people are looking good. Okay, today our topic is area of rectangle. As you can see from the board, area of rectangle. We have already done area of rectangle. How to find the area, we have done it. So today we will learn how to find the length or the width. How to find the length or the width. The width is also known as what? The breadth. The breadth. So that's what we are going to do today. But before that, we have to go back to what we learned on how to find the area of rectangle. When you are finding the area of rectangle, the area is equal to length times width, or you say area is equal to length times breadth. Area is equal to length times width, or area is equal to length times breadth. Now the area is equal to, the area stands for area, the L stands for length, and the W stands for width. Then I said that the W here, the width is also known as what? Breadth. So the B is what? The breadth. So when we want to find the area of rectangle, you can write it in full like this, or you write it this way. Now let's find the area of this rectangle because I've told you that we have to revise what we learned the other time so that we can continue. So here, if you have 7 centimeters and here is what? 3 centimeters. To find the area of this rectangle, you have to write the formula. That's A equals to length times breadth, or you can write A equals to length times what? Width. Now, what is the length here? The length is what? 7. So we write 7 centimeters here. Then the breadth or the width is 3 centimeters. Now, 7 times 3 is equal to 21. So we have 21 centimeters what? Square. 21 centimeters square. This is how to find the area of rectangle. We have done it before, so even if you have forgotten, we have done it now, and then I hope you have remembered what we learned the other time. Now let's go to how to find the length of rectangle. Finding the length of rectangle. Finding the length of rectangle. Now, if I have a rectangle like this, and then I've been given the area 12 centimeters square. This is rectangle, and the area is what? 12 centimeters square. and the width or the breadth is 3 centimeters. So to find this one, the area has been given to you, then the width or the breadth has been given to you. So what you have to do is what? To find the length. You are going to find the length. You are going to find the length. So here we write the formula. We write the formula A equals to length times width. A equals to length times width. Now the area has been given to you, so we put it at the place that we have the area. 12 centimeters square equals to the length has not been given, so you put the length there times the width or the breadth has been given to you, that's 3 centimeters. So now what you do is what? Here here is times L times 3 centimeters. So since it is multiplication here, when it crosses this equal sign, it becomes what? Division. If it is multiplication here, or if it is times here, if it crosses the equal sign, it becomes division. So here you are going to write 12 centimeters square over 3 equals to L. 12 centimeters square over 3 equals to L. This one you can also write it like this. 12 centimeters square divided by 3 equals to 1. The same thing. The same thing. If you put over, it means division. So if you don't want to write it this way, you write it this way. So now 3 goes here 1 and 3 goes here 4. So now we have 4 equals to what? L. Therefore L is equal to 4 centimeters. 4 centimeters. So here 2 is 4 centimeters. So L is equal to 4 centimeters. So the length of this rectangle is 4 centimeters. 4 centimeters. The same thing here 12 divided by 3 is what? 4 centimeters equals to what? L. So therefore L equals to what? 4 centimeters. The same thing. So if you don't want to use, when you reach here and then you don't want to use this method, you can use this one. I hope you have understood it. Now let's take another one. Let's take another one. I have a rectangle, and then the area is 32 centimeters square, and the width is 2 centimeters. The width is what? 2 centimeters. The area is 32 centimeters square. The width is what? Or the breadth is 2 centimeters. Now we are going to write the same formula. A equals to length times breadth. I've told you that this place you can write width or breadth because they are the same. So now you write the area has been given to you, that's 32 centimeters square. So you write 32 centimeters square equals to L times 2 centimeters, because the L has not been given to you. We have only the breadth or the width and then the area. So now, since here is what? Multiplication. When it crosses the equal sign, it becomes what? Division. I've told you before. So here we are going to write 32 divided by 32 centimeters square divided by 2 centimeters equals to L. So now 2 cancel 2, 1, 2 cancel here, 16. And here we have centimeters square. So even if this centimeter 2 cancel this centimeter, we get 1 called centimeter square means 2. So this one cancel this one. So now here has remained 1 centimeter. It has made 1 centimeter. So now we have 16 centimeters here. So now we write 16 centimeters equals to what? L. 16 centimeters equals to what? L. Now, therefore, L is equal to 16 centimeters. So the length of this rectangle is 16 centimeters. I hope Donna, Estrella, Teresa, Estelle, Emma. So Emma, are you there? Carlota, and then Seyo, my Oga. I hope you people are there. And then you are doing your exercises and copying your notes. Now let's continue by finding the weight. Now we have found the length. We have learned how to find the length. So let's go to how to find the weight or breadth. How to find the weight or the breadth. Finding the weight or breadth of rectangle. Finding the weight or breadth of rectangle. Now, let's take this one. This is rectangle. Let's say the area is 18 meters square. And then we have the length. Let's say 6 meters. 6 meters. So the width is not there. So we have to find the width or the breadth. So the same thing we write our area equals to length times width. Length times width. Now the area side of the area, that's 18 meters square. The length is what? 6 meters. 6 meters, sorry. 6 meters. And then the width, there's no number, so we have to find it. Now we write, since here is multiplication, what do? We have to send this number to cross the equal sign, and then since it is multiplication, when it crosses here, it becomes what? Division. It becomes division. So here we write 18 meter square over 6 meters equals to weight. Equals to weight. Now, 6 goes here 1. 6 goes to 18 is what? 3. And then this one, the m here cancels the 1 m to get the m that are here. There are 2 m's. So we will get 1. So here the answer will be what? 3m equals to what? W. 3m equals to W. So therefore, W is equal to what? 3m. 3m. That means width or breadth is equal to what? 3. Here, width or breadth is equal to 3 meters. 3 meters. Now let's take another example. Let's take another example. And then we call it a day. Now we have this one. This rectangle. We have the area being 27 centimeters square. 27 centimeters square. And then the length is 9 centimeters. So we have to find the width. So we write A equals to what? L times what? W. That's length times width, or length times breadth. So the area is 27 centimeters square equals to length times width. Length times width. Okay, here we have the area here. So the length has been given to, so the length will be 9 centimeters. Now we have to find the width. We have to find the width. So we are going to write 27 centimeters square over 9 centimeters equals to width. And I told you earlier on that here, this place, if you don't want to write it this way, like the way I've written on the board, if you don't want to write it this way, you can write 27 centimeters square divided by 9 centimeters equals to what? W. You can write it that way. So now let's continue. 9 goes here, 1. 9 goes to 27 is what? 3. So this centimeters here cancel it, so we get only 1 here. So we get 3 centimeters equals to W. Therefore, width is equal to 3 centimeters. The same thing like here. So 27 divided by 27 centimeters square divided by 9 centimeters, you will get 3 centimeters equals to width. Therefore, width is equal to 3 centimeters. My children, this brings us to the end of the area of rectangle. How to find the area, how to find the length, and how to find the width. And I hope you have enjoyed the topic. And then I hope you have understood it. It is not difficult. Anything that you want to know about this one, you can send it through voice message and I will answer you. Please copy what I will give you in your exercise books, and then you wait for the exercises that I will give it to you. Please do your work and then submit them. Thank you, and God bless you all.